Hi and welcome. In this video, we will have a look at one of the CSS media features that allows us to detect in browser whether the user prefers light or dark color theme based on their system preferences. As you can see, our demos auto-updated its appearance whenever we change between dark and light from the system preferences, or for debugging purpose, we can emulate the color scheme from the browser's dev tool. Check out the description below for demo and source code on GitHub if you are watching this on YouTube. So let's jump into coding. First, I'm going to define two custom CSS properties for dark and light on the selector, so I can refer to them later globally. Then we need to have media rules to apply different styles for dark and light color scheme. So under each of these rules, I'm going to define two more global CSS variables for the background and text as well. Since I have only two elements, so background and text just works fine for me. So for the dark, I want the background to be dark and the text I want it to be light. Once I'm done with the dark scheme, I need to copy the entire thing, media rule, and paste it and tweak the dark and light variables. So in my demo, I have only two elements, so that works fine for me to apply the style to the body selector. So for the background, I need to assign the background variable. And for the text, I need to assign color with variable text. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this useful. Make sure to subscribe for more in the future.